Hey, what's up? You know, TICWRIS company produces very interesting products. What do you think about this smartwatch with almost 3-inch display? In my opinion, it is not very comfortable to wear and use. However, in this video, we will talk about the smart bracelet with the biggest display. Its diagonal is 1.91 inches. Also, the bracelet has curved design and it looks very nice. This is TICWRIS GTX and you can buy it for about $40. Okay, let's look closer at the design of the new smart bracelet and then talk about its functions. The new smart bracelet comes in a white box with only company logo on the top. Inside the box there is a bracelet itself, charging cable, user manual and warranty card. In user manual you can read the specifications of smart bracelet as well as tutorial how to use it and connect to smartphone. So design is one of the main features of TICWRIS GTX smart bracelet. Just look at this big display. As I already said, it has a diagonal of 1.91 inches. The resolution is 170 by 320 pixels. The manufacturer says that smart bracelet has curved design, but as you can see, it is only slightly curved. This strap is made of silicone and it is not removable. The power home button is located under the display. On the back we can see heart rate sensor and charging contacts. You know the bracelet has a very big display, but it looks quite good in my thin wrist. For comparison, this is a Amazfit GTR and TICWRIS GTX on me. By the way, the weight of this smart bracelet is 61 grams. It is not very lightweight. Also, you should know that the TICWRIS GTX bracelet is IP68 waterproof. You can take shower and even swim in the pool with this smart bracelet. Talking about functions of TICWRIS GTX, they are about the same as other smart bracelets of this price category. First, you should know that you cannot answer or make phone calls on this bracelet. However, you can see when somebody calls on your smartphone. Also, you can receive notifications on the bracelet. It is very comfortable to read long notifications on this big screen. The bracelet has quick settings menu with 4 functions, such as screen brightness, do not disturb mode, find phone, and settings menu. In the settings, you can choose the SIM or watch face. There are 4 watch faces available. You can also choose the screen and time from 5 to 20 seconds. Swipe left or right from the main screen to see your daily activity, measure heart rate and blood pressure. However, there are also other functions on the bracelet, such as sleep monitor, notifications, timer, countdown, and sport modes. There are 9 sport modes available on this smart bracelet, such as running, cycling, climbing, and even swimming. As you can see, TICWRIS GTX has only basic functions. There is no even music and camera control. Now let's try to connect the bracelet to smartphone. First, you need to download and install the app called F-Feed on your Android or iOS device. After that, just open the app and click on Add New Device. Wait a little and select GTX02FC. That's all. The smart bracelet is connected to mobile device. Now we can go to device settings and here select the apps that can send notifications on the bracelet. You can also set reminders, such as Sedentary reminder, drinking water reminder, alarm reminder, and others. The new TICWRIS bracelet has a continuous heart rate monitoring. You know, I said that smart bracelet doesn't have camera control, but you can take photos by sharing the watch. However, there is still no music control. The other settings are wearing position, unit settings, device clock format, and temperature unit settings. You can also monitor your daily steps, heart rate, sleep time, sport activity, and blood pressure in the app on smartphone. Now let's talk about battery of TICWRIS GTX smart bracelet. It is another feature of the new bracelet, because manufacturer promises up to 30 days of battery life on a single charge. However, this is in standby time. The real battery life with active use is about 6–10 days. This is still good battery life for a bracelet with such a big display. By the way, the battery capacity is 300 mAh. So TICWRIS GTX has the same functions as other budget fitness bracelets, but the main feature of it is a large display. The screen is really big and it is comfortable to use for reading notifications. What do you think about this smart bracelet? Would you buy it? Write in the comments below. Thank you for watching this video. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, Tech Brothers.